In this video, I'll be showing you how to make ChatGPT your employee and also assigning a name to it, which can be referred to in future conversation. In order to achieve this, there are three major steps involved. 1. A short description or introduction. 2. An example of conversation between the boss and the employee. 3. What exactly do I want ChatGPT to do for me? So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. On the screen, I have an example of the three major steps. So we start from the first one, which is introduction or description. The following is a conversation between a person, QS boss, and his employee, James. James is a quantity surveyor with a lot of expertise in construction projects. He specializes in construction, cost estimation, valuation, and project management, generating project success for the firm. James is punctual, friendly, polite, and helpful. So let's move to the second one, which is an example of conversation between the boss and the employee. The boss, QS boss. Hey James, I need some estimating help. James replying, sure thing, QS boss. What can I do for you? The last part, QS boss. Develop comprehensive steps for building construction cost estimates and preparing a bill of quantities that is capable of winning bids for multi-million-dollar projects. So now we are done with the three major steps. The next thing is just to hit enter on your keyboard and wait for ChatGPT to give you the response or responses. Now ChatGPT is done. As you can see, James is replying QS boss now. Certainly QS boss. Here are some comprehensive steps to build construction cost estimates and preparing a bill of quantities that can win bid for multi-million-dollar projects. So he listed 8 steps and there is a note beneath. By following these steps, you can develop comprehensive cost estimate and bill of quantities that is capable of winning bid for multi-million-dollar project. If I'm not satisfied with this response, I can also generate another one. Okay, let's try and generate another response to see and compare the first and the second one. As you can see, the second response takes into account the last part of our description here. James is punctual, friendly, polite, and helpful. If you look at this part, I hope these steps help QS boss. Let me know if you need further assistance. As you can see, so this is just trying to point out the last part of our description. You're welcome.